Today is a good day because I have another package in the mail. In this beautiful big white envelope from United Kingdom via Royal Mail, I received a scale. A small little cheap Chinese scale. So what you get with it are a set of triple A's. A very minimalistic user's manual. Thank you for purchasing the digital scales. I bought only one. Please read all operating instructions carefully before use. This electronic scale is a precision instrument with normal care and proper treatment. It will provide years of reliable service. Never load the scale with more than the maximal capacity. Overloading will permanently damage it. Avoiding any exposure to extreme heat, cold, your scale works better. Okay, the English is okay. Must be handled with function on-off mode. You can switch between, I guess, imperial and metric weight units. It's pretty straightforward, really. Comes in this plastic thing in the bag. Here's the scale. It is plastic construction, silver plastic. It doesn't look too bad, but the weighing tray, or not the tray, of the pad, is from brushed some kind of sheet metal, stainless steel probably, which is really nice. It also comes with a tray which is wrapped in something, whatever. It's a plastic tray that you are supposed to, I guess, put on like this. If you're weighing something that doesn't want to stay on this pad, then you would need this. And I think you have a button here, to this T button, which subtracts the weight of the plastic, so you get accurate measurements. These scales are available on eBay, on AliExpress, I'm sure also on Amazon. I bought this one from eBay. I could have bought it just slightly cheaper on AliExpress, but I would have to wait from shipping from China. So I bought locally, not really locally, but from the EU, and it came really fast because it's Royal Mail and they're excellent. So I will put these batteries in and let's see if it actually works. Okay, the batteries are in. The display here, the backlit blue display, is showing zeros, and if I press on it, it appears to be working. Now these scales are available in multiple weight ranges. The smallest one, this is the smallest one. I think the maximum is 750 or 500 grams, I'm not sure. But you can have identical looking scale with up to 2 kilograms of range. Obviously you are trading accuracy if you're choosing the wider range, but it depends on what you're going to weigh with it. And I suppose most people who are buying this kind of scale are buying them to weigh their cryptocurrency. So here I have a 1 Bitcoin. It's kind of dirty, but try to ignore that. And it says 24.45 grams. And if I click here, it should PCS, whatever. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm already confused. Okay, here's the ounces. I think they are troy ounces, because you would use them, and there are even more types of measurements, a lot of measurements. These are grams, these are probably troy ounces, These are some kind of other ounce and some other exotic measurements. And if I remove it, it should go, it should zero out. Yeah, and it's zeroing out. One thing that's weird and disappointing somewhat is that I didn't receive a calibration weight. Normally, I think there would be a small weight that you would put on there that and a calibration mode, and this weight would be precisely measured to be like let's say 250 grams, and it would use it as a reference to calibrate the measurements, but no calibration weight for this. I don't know if it's specific to this seller. They just decided to remove it to make it cheaper shipping and to make it fit in the envelope better, or this model is not supposed to be calibrated like that and is pre-calibrated from factory, which is a stretch, I think. It will probably go out of calibration, but you know, close enough. And if we do, let's do the tray. That's way, okay, if it shows me 65 grams, and I should zero it out. Yeah, it shows 0 now. Subtracted it. And let's weigh tea bags, which is probably the second most popular use for a scale like this. No. How many we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tea bags would be 17 grams. You know, it's always good to know. But yeah, and if you add the Bitcoin, it should be a lot more. Okay, it seems to be working. Thanks for your valuable attention, and keep an eye on. I'll have more stuff coming.